Hello people, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's tutorial we are learning how to craft a hand fan. Okay, so what I have here is the doll face satin fabric, and I'm simply trying to cut out the fabric I will use to cover up the skeleton of my hand fan. Okay, so where I'm just folding it into two, which I will find out the fabric that will be enough to cover it up, and then simply go ahead to cut it out. All right, so this tutorial is very easy tutorial that even if you have not made a hand fan at all, you can use this tutorial to craft one for yourself. All right, so you can go ahead to practice it after watching. So let me go ahead to cut out the measurement, and then we move to the other stages. So guys, remember that I folded it into two, so I'm just simply going to be dividing it. One will be for the front of the skeleton of my hand fan, while the other one will be for the back. All right, so when I'm done doing this, I'll go ahead to use it to cover up this skeleton. This skeleton, you can carve it by yourself, or you just get an already made that they have in the market. So I just got an already made for this tutorial. So this is simply how you cover it up. Then you go ahead to apply your glue. You can make use of your UHU gum or this candle glue. Okay, simply apply and then use your fabric to cut it out. All right, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, this is Snakey Collection channel on YouTube, and I craft contents on how to make your headwear designs. All right, and I have also added this hand fan. Okay, so I know that you enjoy my tutorials, so you can go ahead to hit the subscribe button so that you stay updated once I drop tutorials on other weeks. Okay, thank you all for visiting this channel and joining me in this tutorial. So you can go ahead to continue watching and find out how I made this very beautiful hand fan. Okay guys, you can see how simple it was to cover it up. Just apply your glue, stick your fabric, and then you trim off the excesses. Okay, so this is what you will also go ahead to do for this very back part. Okay, we have covered the front side, so this is exactly what you also do for this part that is showing that is yet to be covered. All right, so you also cover it up with the other fabric so that you will have your skeleton completely covered. And I also forgot to mention that it's advisable that you use the same color of feathers, okay, that you'll be using for this hand fan for your fabric. So right there I used a pink fabric, so I'm working with a pink feather as well. All right, so that is simply what you do here. Go ahead to cover the back part, then we have our skeleton fully covered. All right, Right, guys, so everything is fully covered here. I wouldn't want to bore you with that. I believe that you found out how to do that. Okay, so now the next stage we are moving into is on how to decorate your hand fan. So I will be using, for this tutorial, I will be using feathers, I will be using trimmings. Okay, so keep watching, keep learning. You will see and also find out how I did all of that to achieve a very beautiful hand fan at the end. So you keep watching, and if you find value in my video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, give me that like button, all right? You can leave me a comment if you have any question, all right? And you can also go ahead to subscribe to my channel so that you stay updated once I drop my tutorials, all right? So let's go ahead to decorate our hand fan.